All right, so anyway, this is the way you can test your electrical, and it's called a allosun voltage detector, GK7. I bought this, cheap. I think it was like 12 bucks with, some other stuff at Kmart's, at Walmart's, and it works pretty good, I gotta say. All right, so anyway, I purchased one of these, and I'm going to show you how to change the batteries in it. So if you look here, it shows you got to push down and twist it, and then this comes undone. And then notice how the batteries are in there. The positive ends up, and there's two of these. And these, I believe, are AAAs. All right, so let's grab a couple new ones, okay? Over here, I got a couple new ones. All right, so I've got the same ones, Duracells. And now the way you put them in there, it's pretty simple. It shows you right there, look. You just got to put them in ass backwards. That's the negative side there. Goes in first. And then you do the same thing. It only takes two batteries. Negative side in first. Bam. And there you go. Now this here, you're going to notice there's some channels right there. So you've got to find that little nook in it, right. Let's see if I can see where it's at. So there's a little nook in there. And so that's got to go into those two slots. There's a slot there and a slot. There's a slot on both sides. You see it? See how that is right there? So you got to get those two little things in there. So you got to find it. So it takes a little bit to work it. Once you get it in, you push it down like that. And you'll notice here, you just turn it. And it should go in. If you haven't got it right, you got to flip it around, get the other side, and then turn it. So it only goes one way. Okay? So you get it on there, right? Just like this. Twist it, and now we're on. Right now it's on off. When I turn it to on, you get a little flash, right? It doesn't pick anything up there. So that's how you put the batteries in there. All right, if you look here, you've got an on and an off. I've got it on right now. But if I want to turn it to off, I just pop it over. Now it's off. Okay? So it doesn't make any noise when it's there. If I turn it to on, you hear a little click. And so now you know it's working. And so it's got, it says, warning, test before using. And so, yeah, you want to do that. You can see it's picking up electricity off of me. But let's go ahead and check out this transformer. I'm not getting anything off of it, am I? Not a thing. So, oh, here we go. But I think it's coming off of this. You see? So this is hot for sure. But for some reason, my transformer is not really registering anything. If I put it here, though, I might get something. Getting something there. So this transformer may have to be replaced. And this goes to the doorbell. So that's what I was testing. And when I put it on here, I don't get anything. When I put it on here, I don't get anything. So, yeah, great. Yeah. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you how to do something like this. Peace out.